Guys, I wasn't planning to make this video, but I have to share this. You know those moments when you're stressed, tired, or just need a quick refresh? This right here has been my go-to. The taste is always consistent, ice cold, refreshing, and honestly, it just hits differently. Whether I'm working, creating content, or hanging out with friends, I always keep a bottle nearby. If you haven't had an ice-cold Coca-Cola today, you're missing out. Trust me, grab one and thank me later. Coca-Cola. Simple, refreshing, and always a good choice. Cheers!
So I made this video with this new tool that I just found out, right? And I thought of sharing it with you. Alright, welcome back to David Creative Lab, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a full UGC video, that is UGC AI Ad Video, character image, talking videos, and so on and so forth, right? So all you just need to do is stick around to the end of this video as I walk you through how I was able to generate that video. All right, so when you come over to your Chrome browser and search for UGC video, right? Now the next thing I'm going to do is I want to get a prompt to generate our image and our video, right? So I'll come over to my ChatGPT and say let's create a personal character to advertise a particular brand. So we need a male character to help us to advertise this product, right? So what we're going to do next is, after ChatGPT gave us our prompt, I'll just come over and copy the prompt and take it over to this UGC AI video generator, right? So I'm going to copy everything and head over to this tool right here and paste it right here. So once I paste it, I'll set the output to just 1 and I will hit generate. In a few seconds our video will be ready. All right, our image rather. As you can see, it gives me in form of 3D, so which means I can just come over to Chrome browser and search for the image product we want to use, which is Coca-Cola, right? So I'll come over and download one. So I'll download one image and go to the tool and upload it, right? I'm going to upload it as a reference. So I'll come over to choose a character. So I'll choose this character right here. Then for the product image, I'll also upload the product image, right? So I'll upload okay, this image is having issue. Let's go back and download another version, the one that is small, that has a larger size. So let me download this right away and go back to the tool and re-upload. All right, so now, okay, this one is uploaded. So but I'm just going to save it and come over and type in, but I need to go to ChatGPT again to get prompt for that, right? So I want to animate the image, the character image and the product reference, right? So I'm just going to come over and tell ChatGPT to just provide prompt for me to do that. So once ChatGPT generate that for us, I'll come over to the tool and come over and click on create, right? As you can see, our video is ready and this looks so amazing and so realistic. So what you're just going to do is you head over and download it to your device and you have it and you can post it on any social media platform you are doing, right? Now the next thing we're going to do right here is to create a UGC video using a particular, if you want to use a particular product or a particular picture of a celebrity. As you can see from this video, I make use of Ronaldo, right? So I'm just going to come over and select the voice I want to use. I select the voice reference and I will also, so I'm just testing out the voices that I can make use of right here. So I'll select one. After selecting one, I'll just come over and upload the image reference, right? I'll upload the image reference of the product, then I'll click on save. After clicking on save, let me still go back again and look for the image of C Ronaldo, right? So that's the image of the character we want to make use of. So once I come over, I'll download it and save it to my device. After saving it to my device, I'll just come over. Okay, from here I cannot choose the character from here, so I think I should just come over to create character. So once I come over, let me just go up and see. Okay, it's still the same thing. Let me go to this UGC AI if I can upload it directly. So you can see these are references images that you can make use of to advertise your product, right? But we need to use a particular image that we got. So you can just come over and click on create image from scratch. I will upload the image of the Ronaldo and then I will okay, let me still try it again. Let me try another method out again. and see, I want to first upload the image of the character, right? So as I think this part is not working, let me go back again to my character. I need to create from scratch. All right, so as you can see right here, I've been able to do that. So I'll just come over, and as you can see, I've recreated the image. The reason why we are recreating it is for copyright issue, right? So I'll just come over and download it. After downloading it, I'll just go back again and upload the image, the one that I just finished, I just created successfully, and type in the prompt. Right, then as you can see, we now have our full image. We have our full image, right? So now we want to now create our UGC video. I want to create our UGC video of the of this particular brand, right? So I'm going to upload the image of Ronaldo, and then now we want to add voiceover, the dialogue, what the character is going to say to advertise the product. So I'm going to come over and do that right in ChatGPT. We're going to come over and ask ChatGPT to give us prompt, and which I've done that already. I'll just come over and copy it and paste it right here and select the voice I want to use. Obviously we want English. If you want any language, you can select it and make use of it, right? So I'm going to come over and select one right here. Once I select one, I add voice. The next thing I'm going to do is just come over and click on generate. Then in a few minutes, our video will be ready, right? So this is our video, and as you can see,
you know those moments when you're stressed, tired, or just need a quick refresh? This right here has been my go-to. The taste is always consistent. Guys, I wasn't planning to make this video, but I have to share this.
Alright, so you can just come over and click on download. You download it to your device and you have it to yourself, right? So this is how it works. It's very simple and very easy. You can try this tool out, explore it out. You are going to see, you are going to enjoy this tool. This tool is super amazing. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, welcome to David Creative Lab, where I upload amazing content about how to get creative with AI, and that's why I'm showing you another thing today. All right, so consider subscribing to my channel to always get amazing content. Please don't forget that, and also like this video, comment and share, and tell me what next you are encountering, any issue you're encountering with creating content online, and let me know in the comment section, as I am going to bring that to you in my next video. All right, so you can see all of this. So everything I did in this video, everything as you can see is practical and it's very real. All right, so you can consider using this tool today. Although it's not totally free, but you can try it out today and see how it will work for yourself. If you find it useful, I'm glad you find it useful, right? So that will be the end of this video, right? Thank you very much for watching this video and sticking around to the end of this video. I want to know in the comment section, just type it in the comment section and let me know how this tool has helped you, if you've tried it out and if it work out as expected, right? So I would love to see you in my next video. Bye.